Hi everyone, I've been thinking about this for quite a while. I always wanted to start a YouTube channel to share the things I'm passionate about: investment, the stock market. For a long time, I hesitated. Life gets busy between family and work, and when I finally have the time, I often end up feeling too lazy to start. So here I am, finally posting my first video. I hope you enjoy the content and maybe even find something useful in it. So my first ticker symbol will be Meta, Facebook, META. So I still remember the times when I sold my cash secured puts, and then I got assigned roughly about 200 shares of Meta. This happened around in somewhere in 2022, when Meta share dropped from $382 to around, all the way at the bottom is around $87. So I sold some, I think, cash secured puts over here, I think $300 last range. So I was assigned about 200 shares, and my account is not that big, so I was assigned 200 shares of Meta shares. But having been through all this, Meta shares have fight back. So all the way Meta has go up to what we are seeing today of about $700 now. So I think this is a very strong company fundamentally. You can do a lot of research about it. They don't have any debts. They are growing very rapidly. They invest in their AI. So let's look at the others. Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. I also have been holding Amazon for a number of years, and recently during the Trump tariffs, I was also assigned shares because of my cash secured puts on my options. And this is a very strong company with zero debts as well, and they are quite diversified. So for long term, Amazon is actually a very potential stocks to make money, in my opinion. And yep, so let's look at the third one. Top 5, number 3, Google. So yes, you got it. This is in everybody's favorite stock. Google is one of the favorite stock for everyone's portfolio. They are considered still quite undervalued, although they have been making a lot of money, but their stock just doesn't seem to do so well compared to the rest of the Magnificent Seven. But I believe when the sentiments get better, Google stock will actually rise. This is still one of the value buy right now in most investor portfolio, I feel. So in my opinion, Google is a good pick to make a lot of money in future. Next on the list, Adobe. Adobe is a good company, and I feel there's a lot of potential going forward. We can see that Adobe hit their all-time high is about $700 in 2021, and since then they find it hard to go back to their all-time high anymore. So a lot of investor has already given hope on Adobe. So right now it's trading around $300.72. It has been fluctuating here for quite a while, this range. The recent high is also around 600 plus last year. That was quite some time back. This AMD, Advanced Money Destroyer. Yeah, right. So AMD right now is doing very well. You can see from the chart, 1 year chart, they are actually now trading at about $182. They have not been trading this high. A resistance line here around probably 180, 190, 185, 190. AMD has been doing very, very well after the Trump tariffs. You can see how much it has gained. So I do have some options, call options, and as well as some stocks of AMD. Has got a very good CEO, and they are doing very well in their business. Although they are not as big as Nvidia, but I think there's a lot of room for them to catch up in terms of the share price versus Nvidia. Nvidia, of course, will be the number one in this semiconductor company, but I think AMD is not that far behind them, although they are still second. But I think their share price doesn't do a lot of justice because they are also quite a strong company. Recently, a lot of investors are also coming into play. I wanted to add more AMD, but it's a bit hard because has been going uptrend since Trump tariff, and it's really hard to buy more shares now. The valuation now is a little average. It's not the best value compared to others like Google's, Adobe. I will not be adding shares at this point of time. I'm waiting for a pullback. This will be my top 5 growth stock, in my opinion. For those of you who have stayed so far through the video, I really appreciate your kindness. Probably when I have the time, we can probably go through all the fundamentals and the updates of the company. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.